Adding surveys to your WordPress site is a great idea. With surveys, you can gather valuable insights from your audience and then use that data to make decisions to improve your user experience, increase engagement, grow your site, and boost your revenue. Creating good surveys can be hassle-free, and getting data that you can actually use can be easy if you choose the right survey builder plugin. Now, today we're going to be looking at two easy-to-use tools to create surveys, and we're talking about WP Forms and user feedback. Now, both of these plugins have no response limits and tons of useful features, so just choose the one that makes the most sense for you and for your site. Now, for option one, we're going to be taking a look at WP Forms. WP Forms is a drag and drop WordPress form builder that helps you create surveys, contact forms, order forms, donation forms, and any other type of form you can imagine. Plus, it has a survey form add-on that can help you make surveys, and it has very useful reports. WP Forms Survey Add-on has lots of pre-designed templates, a drag and drop form builder, smart survey fields, and options to help you embed your surveys. Plus, it has survey results baked right in. You can easily export your results and a lot more. Now, let's take a look at how easy it is to create a survey form. First, you'll need to head over to the WP Forms pricing page and grab a WP Forms Pro or higher license. Now, once you're all signed up, install and activate the plugin and fill in your license key. Now, once that's done, you'll see a new WP Forms menu on your dashboard. So click on the Add-ons submenu and find Surveys and Polls Add-on. Then click the Install Add-on button, and now you're ready to create a survey. Now, to create a survey form, just go to WP Forms and then Add New, then type Survey into the search bar. As you can see here, WP Forms has a lot of ready-to-use survey forms. I'm just going to choose the one called Survey Form. If the form suits your needs, well, you can use it without making any customizations. Just click the Save button. Now, you can easily customize your survey form, and you can do things like add, reorder, rearrange form fields. Now, to do that, just click on the field. Then in the left column, select Field Options. Now, you can change the label, the format, and the description, or enable Required for your fields there. Now, the rating field works a lot the same way. Just click on the field option, and then you can change the field label, the description, scale for the rating, and whether it's required. Now, you can use the Advanced tab to choose the icon options and enable conditional logic by clicking the Smart Logic tab. Now, be sure to click the Save button after you've finished customizing your form. Now, to configure your survey, just click Settings. Now, you'll see the general settings, like your survey form's name, description, and Submit and Processing button text. Now, on the Spam Protection and Security tab, you can enable anti-spam filters to keep bots from submitting your forms by connecting your form to Akismet plugin, creating custom anti-spam filters, or set up your own preferred CAPTCHA. The Notification tab allows you to set up how you're going to be notified when someone finishes your survey. Now, you can turn notifications on or off, and you can review and edit the default notification settings. You can also send a notification to site visitors when they've finished filling out your survey. Then there's the confirmation setting. Now, here's where you're going to choose what happens after a user submits a form. So you can show them a message, or you can send them a thank you page. And last is the Surveys and Polls tab, where you can enable and disable survey reporting and poll results. Now, once you've saved your form, you'll have the option of how to embed it on your WordPress site. To embed a WordPress form, you can just click the Embed button and select an existing page or create a new one. And you'll see links for embedding your form manually or with a shortcode. Of course, you can always embed your survey right on your page while working on it by using the block editor and selecting WP Forms. Now, after people start filling out your surveys, you can see the data by just going to WP Forms, then to All Forms, and hovering your mouse over the survey form, and then click Survey Results to see your form's results. User Feedback is an easy-to-use WordPress plugin that allows you to gather feedback from your visitors. You can quickly set up customized surveys and ask whatever kind of questions you want to know about your users. Now, User Feedback has a bunch of question types, customization options, page-level targeting, conditional survey questions, and a lot more, and it easily integrates with Google Analytics. All right, now let's look at how easy it is to set up a survey using User Feedback. To start, just download user feedback at the license level that's right for your site, and then go to Plugins, and then to Add New Plugin, and then to Upload Plugin, and we'll just drag and drop the plugin here. Then we'll hit the Install Now button. Now, once it's finished uploading, just click the Activate Plugin button. And once that's done, you'll be taken to the Setup Wizard. All right, so go ahead and click the Start, and we'll walk through the setup. At the bottom, you're going to see how your survey is going to look in real time. So first things first, you'll need to create your first user feedback survey. So don't sweat it. You'll be able to change it later if you need to. Just pick a question from the available ones or create one of your own. Now, once you've done that, just click the Next Step button. Now, depending on your license level, you'll have some features that you can choose to enable. So go ahead and enable the ones that you want or need, or all that your license level allows. All right, now let's customize your notifications. Now, here's where you can choose where to send your survey answers and tell us if you want to hear from the user feedback team. You can also choose to help us understand our users and their website's needs. Now for the final step, the add-ons and features you chose will be installed, and you'll be able to click the button at the bottom to exit to your dashboard. All right, now if you want to edit the survey that you created during the setup or create a new one, it's really easy. Hover your mouse over Survey and click the Edit link. Now you'll land on the screen where you can edit the questions that you ask in your survey, as well as the thank you message that's displayed. So you can go ahead and add or edit questions and your thank you message. And once you're done, just click the Next Step button. Now the survey page is next, where you'll really be able to customize your survey. So first you have the option to enable or disable Google Analytics tracking through MonsterInsights. We recommend that you keep that enabled. And then next, in the targeting box, you can customize where and when your survey appears. You can choose which device types and the pages that the surveys appear on. Now in the behavior box, you can choose when your survey is going to pop up, how long it's going to stay there, how long it's going to run, and whether or not you want the survey to start minimized. Then, when you're done with all those settings, just click the Next Step button at the bottom. All right, finally, on the notification screen, just choose whether you'd like to send a notification to an email address each time that the survey is completed. All right, now head to the Publish page. By default, your survey will be scheduled. If you want it to go live right away, just turn off the Schedule for Later switch. So here's a simple example of how your survey might appear. All right, now to see your search results, you can just go to User Feedback and then to Results. Now from here, you can see for the last 7 or to 30 days. Now you can click on a survey here to see the responses to your survey. There's also additional add-ons that you can install, and there are additional templates as well. And of course, I've already installed the Behavior add-on, and there are add-ons for branding, various types of questions, and targeting. Plus, there's integration options here for Uncanny Automator, and you can easily set up SMTP for email. All in all, User Feedback is an awesome survey plugin that's easy to set up and it's simple to understand. So this is a great plugin that you can use for your WordPress website. Now, I mentioned earlier that gathering data from your audience can be extremely powerful, but there's something else that you can do that's going to have an even bigger impact on growing your WordPress website. So be sure to check out this deep dive where I show you what it is and how you can use it to increase engagement and boost your revenue more than ever.